What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time, welcome in general. I'm more than happy to have you. My name is Reese, and if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications, because at this point YouTube has been playing games, and unfortunately it's not enough to just subscribe. Now you have to click the bell notification as well so that you're notified when the videos go up. As you guys can tell by the title, today's video is going to be on how I did these jumbo knotless box braids on myself. These took me about 3 hours. I used about 2 packs of the hair that you'll see in the video. Also, I put these braids in a week ago, but I'm just now having the time to film an intro. So if they don't look super fresh, that's why. But if you're not trying to spend a bunch of money on some braids that you can do yourself, then be sure to keep watching this video. Alright guys, so I am going to be showing you how I do these last 2 sections. And of course you're just going to part your hair however you prefer. And then you're going to clip your other sections out of the way. So of course I'm using Shine and Jam. And I'm just going to start by applying that all over the entire section at the root. So in addition to applying it at my root, I also like to apply some Shine and Jam kind of down the shaft of my hair. Not completely, but just like 2 inches or so. And then I'm going to go ahead and comb out my section. And you want to make sure to take your time and be gentle when doing this. And then you're going to comb all the way through the root as well. And then I'm just flattening it out a little bit to give it that super sleek look. So once you're done with that, you can just kind of smooth it as much as you need. And this is the hair that I'm using. It's just this burgundy colored pre-stretched hair. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair into 3 sections the same way that you would do a regular braid. Then I'm going to start the braid. So I did 1. Then I'm just making sure I'm getting it as tight as possible. And then I'm doing 2. Then I'm going to stop and grab a piece of hair. And then with that folded part where the loop is, I'm just going to insert that under my index finger and braid 2 more times. So 1 and then 2. And now I'm going to stop again and grab another piece of hair. Loop it under my index finger and braid again. 1, 2. So it is really that simple. You're just going to keep grabbing your braiding hair, and where it's folded, where that loop is, you're just going to insert that underneath your index finger every 2 braids. That doesn't really make sense. But yeah, so just continue watching. This is the process. It's super, super easy. And also I wanted to mention the reason why I pulled some of that product down the shaft of my hair is because I won't have time to add it when I'm inserting the hair. But now that I'm done, you see, there's still a little bit of puffiness. But now, since I'm no longer adding hair, it's easier for me to just grab some more Shine and Jam and add it to the remainder of my strand, so everything looks nice and sleek. And then once I'm done adding that, I'm also going to go ahead and comb through it just to make sure everything is nice and together. You see, it looks pretty much like you can't really see my hair. Then I'm just going to continue to braid down to the end. So that is literally the process. And then of course at the end, you're just going to go ahead and dip your ends and you are all done. So I am going to let you guys continue watching this. I'm going to show you guys how to do the last braid. And yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And I will also leave a video link down below, as well as at the end of this video, showing you guys how to part your hair for box braids.
Look, What up, girl? Sick of your ass leaving me undelivered. It's beneficial that I'm beneficial for you, babe, but you acting like you don't remember. Whole time you was missing me. Whole time I was thinking of you. Got me venting to my niggas, sipping on the book, trying to see what I'm finna do without your love, cause I don't need nobody, babe. Want your mind and body, babe. Meet me in this lobby, baby. Hey, she say I don't want nobody either, but for me you gotta treat me like somebody's baby. I need your love and I need some affection. You gon' have to make some time on your schedule. Ain't asking for much, I just need some attention, and I ain't gotta have it 24/7. You know me well and I love you, girl. You been down since I met you. I know you was special, but you like a sneeze. You go for a lead, cause I'm tryna bless you. There's so many things that I love doing to your body. Yeah, I love it, yeah, I love it. If not with me, then I can't see you with nobody. No. I don't need nobody, cause I don't want nobody but you. I don't need nobody, baby. I want your mind and body, baby. Keep me in this life, I don't want nobody but you. Nobody who can love you like me. Nobody, girl, I'm all that you need. Nobody who can love you like me. Nobody, baby. And I still feel like you just don't get it. Friends always talking down on me, you do not have to listen. Cause you told me yourself I'm the definition of different. So how could you take some advice about me and you from a chick with no nigga all on my Twitter like you P?
Alright you guys, so that is going to conclude this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Hope that it was helpful, and if it was, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Again, subscribe down below and turn on your post notifications. So thank you so much for watching. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.